Sorkar Jylla lyngba ophis treikam juga distrik sports officer Wkhd Hills District Nongstoiñ ryngkat berkibor pyniaid distrik juga Eastern Khasi Hills mynta sngi hapoh tarik risaw arpulai kila Pynlong juga youth exchange program arpulai halor phang building a better world partnering with youth hapoh Auditorium hall juga khadsawphra college kabupaten shnong Mairang mission yakni ke program kaba sngi lenter lawan ban pli perda do deputy commissioner ke Eastern Khasi Hills District ryngkat ke Jylla ke DSO Khasi Hills ke kong B.syiem Fr.Arcadius principal Donbosco Technical School Shillong ubala airu ke hikai halor ki skills development ryngkat ke sakhi kinong hikai bat ki khana school na ki school bapher ki balawan ban shembenta shetrhem haki kop ki bakan thop kum ka quiz ke kop draw ke extempo speech bat kiwe
Without any further ado, let's begin. My role model, I can say that it's my mother.
We must change first home. Who we have to change first? Ourselves, yes. Before we change the society, we must first change ourselves. For example, if you, the youth, you keep on doing things, being like delinquents. If you like Nongstoiñ, the youth, mostly they are very addicted to drugs, alcohol, smoking weeds. If the youth always do that, do you think the society will change? No, right?
Kini skill training nanti kira but mentau stem ni call kemalai bodli company banwan recruit ikna apa ki recruit hot ni hapan wan benia ala jadi ki ba ai ki jasa ki security mo hapan pe ki safety jumi kena jumi ke ka makong sangat thai ngi long ni hapan ni ai ne bun ki kena jumi ke le sepang Bangalore stage tai na ma hadin sebenarnya apa ki wan phai nok ton thai nge mo sulit pe Bangalore di wan no ke mau itu ikong Bangalore ben sha ko nam ha ner balik Bangalore untuk mau balik train mo from Bangalore ke mau betul te ini ba orang bania ini akhirnya dah ni kasi yang ni ham bania ini yang ibang na mana ngasodom la dang ai college na iba kena kasi jumi ke mai te hakawai kasi nga kriya tu macam di alumuri hando da Donbosco square atang bagani ni nado kam set question ado san mai jemo tegmot hakan kawan tangan kenta baru hisngi lada pi shake baru hisngi baru hisngi lada pi shna roti shna cake kini bakery stuff baru hisngi be tegmot nalarau hatang artiyo kami ladem tengai free training ini mo kum DEP DEO graphic animation assistant electrician bakery cake specialized basic makeup the computer course fast food communication skill kini manna sni winter course we give free course jaga sarung ya ibo jaga sarung ya tanpa ambil jaga sarung di tinggi ke balong kum ki hotel yang sah classroom no te lada pikwa se kilaban wan na kum tagi ni course te menta wala ngakwaban kren spangpe balai kini courses ki kongsan na ngi page spang LEP mo na tipa po college po school ki kira kren spang LEP deniam LEP 2020 te kani LEP kami ka batmai tadi page na men shwala no sel khakna spa rupra kila kwa hama key students who become employable we have to do something then ado khakna spa rupra how do Khaknai till 1995 they said that the students in India are not employable so then they have an aim they have an aim but 2020 NEP government by 2025 at least 50% of the students should go through vocational training. At least 50% of the students should go through vocational training. Kata is it possible or not? Now, tagaraw hagini iski pili ba? Put ma government gila IPSAR bangle skill training mo teknik kan search pang ka NEP ba ni natip hape hani takum ka NEP 2020 ka omshai ba there is an urgency for vocational education in India namar bale takum ka statistics only 5% of their students have gone through vocational training hapoh India only 5 what adalah dalam kirurgi anu kaknais prokram. And then in the United States, 52% of the students have gone through vocational training. In Germany, 75%. In South Korea, 96%. What if you South Korea tang spang BTS ne Black Beauty ne kita pergi publish. Then kita bahas lagi Korean movie berbagai tamat. Why they are so qualified? Why they are so developed? It's because they did something, no? How you can see, you done class 5, class you kena balik lah. Iwan orang yang, pada pitip yang BTS. Kita BTS semua, tiang yang pada pitip from BTS. How of your life is gone, yo. Tengok masuk posisi yang nak kita ke BTS semua. Tengok macam tengok lawa, tengok di nongruai bagi genteng tu mah. Next Sunday ngai kedua ini, nak tip dalam BTS. Tiongnya, fikir dia, okay, Blackpink ni, kamu Blackpink mah, ngau orang tip re, para film merah, kena balik. Dan ngau lagi, hadin siapa ni awak nak? I will download for you how to watch Korean movie. Tang 1 minute yang lah download ki nampak Google Store. Jadi kena balik mah. If you want to watch love story from here, if you want to watch from here, ni tengok ni. Pok mobile tu pi non Bible ni. Don't pay for that. I said full of your life is gone. Tengok lari ni sebenarnya bagi Korean movie, Kim Shark, all those artists ni. Memang ada pipit hari why they are so developed because in South Korea and Singapore, he finished the degree through vocational training. Habagawan kani ke EDB mo hapoh Shillong depan kemana hapoh Institute of Unit kau sama hapoh Singapore 68% of the students they finish degree through vocational training. Kamu kiwan vocational training, kila itu training nada kipa abang le, nada kisu dengkam le degree kin le, nada kisu dengkam kinom le. But they go through, they pass degree through vocational training. But kita bersepan Singapore dan South Korea, they are so developed. Kena shangi balai katai, balai bang itu na sebenarnya pi, ke NEP higi boh. Nama nalu menshua ni fokus petang shangki those who fail, those who drop out, fail klasen kile training no, pio no mang class 12 kile training no. Teman-teman boleh kencang, boleh krempeng, boduk, boleh training. That is the mentality. This is the mentality. Kamu apa play, apa retort. Kemudian kembali vocational training ini itu bom start. That's the wrong mentality. Mentah kelak keniat. Kini ke gadau konsaler. But no well-defined pathways in higher education institutions. But konsan perception inferiority. Kadang main academic, kadang vocational training. Hakui kita kamu nak inferiority complex, sini pada doang Tamam mentang NEP dong, it should not be different. Vocational training and mainstream is the same. There's no clear distinction between them.